I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir, I can see your screen.
So let me just give you a very perfect and simple strategy you can just use. All right. So for the other block,
Yes, sir.
let me even start with that block. Now, you see, for the other block, basically what the other block is going to tell you is that if you are in an uptrend, right? If you are in an uptrend, we always have it like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right?
Yes, sir.
Uptrend. So if you are looking for an order block, right? You are looking for another block, right? The last ring, the last red candle here, right? The last red candle here will be your order block, right? Last red candle.
Okay. So I can hear you.
So the last red candle here, right? The same thing applicable here. Will be your order block, right?
Yes, sir.
Be your order block. I think that okay, in another block now. Another block.
No, Forex.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you, sir. Just not with you.
Are you in the hostel or in class?
Because
In class.
yes, sir.
So you see what the other block, basically what the other block is all about. After by background, that's not disturbing you.
Just a
Let
minute.
me use it. How you can hear me now?
I can hear you, sir.
So for the other block, right? For the other block, we will have right. Let's assume these are what these are our down trend, right? These are our down trend. Right. So now have okay.
Yes, sir.
So for the other block now, this is a what? This is a downtrend, right? So if this is an uptrend, so in the uptrend, the last second, this is what you mark out as the other block, right? It's always going to be the last second before the bullish or will be your other block. So automatically it becomes this, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do is you just mark out the range of this thing. You can most of the time we use rectangle, right? Use rectangle, then use white color, red, yellow color. So you mark out this, right? You mark it out like this. So this is your what? This is your bearish order block, right? So for this downtrend now, right? After this low, they've taken out this high here, right? They've taken out this high here. In this situation now, if this lower high is going to be forming, you should form at this other block here. So you should look to take your buy here, right? You should look to take your buy here. So you have your second here, right? You have your second here, right? So the lower low now should form at this other block here, right? It should form at this other block here. Then now you have your continuation. So for this cell now, right? This will become the other block. If this cell is going to be holding, right? You do the same thing for this cell here, right? You do the same thing for this cell here. So you mark out this works, the last green candle here, right? If it was a cell you are looking for, the cell should form at this area here, right? That's your other block.
So it doesn't necessarily mean that during this bullish move now, the last red candle in the bullish move, like most times, usually all green.
Said,
It will be like
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
So can you hear me?
I can hear you now. More bearish hope,
Okay, I said.
and then this
Okay,
one
I
will be
said that.
your bullish hope.
I said that if during this bullish movement, there's one red candle in between, because it can't just all be green. Will it count as
Okay,
the
are you
last?
talking about this now? Are you talking about this?
Yes.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, one thing is that if I attend the second class I did, right, on that how to make $100 of woman, right? This I told you one thing when we started our market structure, right? I told you that we have this swing this swing I right?
Yes, sir.
This is our premium, right? And this is
Yeah.
our discount, right? And then we
Yeah.
have the
Yes,
what?
sir.
We have the equilibrium. So unlike this situation, but every lower high, right? Every lower high should form at your what? At least your equilibrium, right? At least your equilibrium. If you look at this range here now, right? If you look at this range here now, automatically now, right? Automatically now, let me. If you look at this range here now, you see that the lower high here is forming at equilibrium, right? I didn't even measure it, but in this situation, that is how the market should always be. It should always form at equilibrium. So most of the time, the equilibrium will always be a former swing high, right? You understand my point? So if you want to anticipate for this now I even draw a word that I draw a second here now, right? Now this equilibrium now, this lower low now, there should be an other block at this discount. Remember, this is going to be from this equilibrium to this our upside is our premium, and then from this equilibrium downwards is our discount. So you buy at what? At discount. Remember, and you sell at what? At premium. Right. So now, since we are looking for anticipating for this buy now, any other block that is below this, these are discount level at the area we anticipate for what? For the lower low to form. Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So that is one logic. That's a very powerful criteria when it comes to other block. Right? You don't just choose your other block anyhow. If you are anticipating for a buy, then any other block below the equilibrium down to the discount level is most likely where your lower low will fall, and then you take your trade entry with it. You take your entry with it. You understand? So that's one good thing about other block, right? That's one good thing about other block. Right? That's one good thing about your other block. So I hope I've done justice to other block now. So we can just move to the chart and then we practicalize and you see how it forms out, right? So don't forget your market structure, right? Don't forget the question. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. So that's the other part. So let's just go down there to the chat and then we see a practical example. So these are our words. Remember the time frame combination. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame. Now look at this. Now a practical example is this. Remember our Fibonacci, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me So look at now, this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend. If you take out this sort of Fibonacci, right? This is the high, right? And this is what this is the low. Most of the time, this week, don't put it into consideration. Just take it from what from the candle close, right? Take it from the candle close. Right? I don't know why it's what happened to this. Okay, so look at it now. If you look at it very well. So if you look at the range of it, you see where our equilibrium, right? You see the equilibrium of this range. Hello, are you with me? So this is our what? This is our lower low, right? Lower high. All right. And these are what? These are our lower high. Right? Higher.
The week.
You said?
Counting the week.
The week. Don't put this week is just a stop point, right? This week is just a stop point. So don't consider it. Just take it from what? From the close, candle close. Right? But in a scenario whereby you don't have this is almost like 25 or 50 now. Right? So this is this is a stop point. You understand? So but once if the week is not too much, as very big like this, you consider the week. But the moment the week is too long, that you can see very clearly that is a stop point. Don't put it, just take your candle close, take your foot from candle close down to candle close. So look at this is our 50%, right? This is another block here. Look at this other block here, right? Where do you have the lower high? It's not at this other block here.
Yes, sir.
So that's one good thing about your other block and your market structure. By the time you take out your words, mark out this range. This is our other block here now, right? Where did it form? You see where it formed. This is where our lower low form. Exactly at our other block. So that's one thing about your other block, right? That's one thing about your other block. So any other block at any range, you understand? Once you just take out this range like this, you know you are in a downtrend. It's very easy for you to scalp this word, to enter for this set here, and then your take profit should be at this other block here, right? If you go down to 15-minute time frame now, there is more possible we have our imbalance, right? Or if you ever look up at that area, there is nothing like it in our world. There's nothing like it. Okay, there is another. Look at this imbalance here. Look at this imbalance here. This candle here. I see they want to mitigate it. Hmm? So let me use this to talk about our imbalance now.